Alright, so today we're at the Royalton Splash Cancun. This is our room number. Let's get inside so it can stop fogging. All you gotta do is scan your wrist code here thing on that. Let's do it again. There we go. And now we're in the room. Alright, so coming in, this is your foyer. We already got our stuff in here. So to your right here, you have a closet area. Don't mind all of our junk, but you have an extra pillow up there. You got your iron there, your ironing board there. You have an umbrella right back there. You got 2 robes, 2 pair of slippers, bag for laundry, or you can use this bag for your dirty clothes if you would like. That's what I use it for. And it also has a light up here that comes on when you open the doors. So let's stand back so you can see how big that is. All right, so close the door. Beside that, you have your safe and refrigerator, and then you also have 2 dressers down here. In your refrigerator, you have, I guess this is beer, 2 beers, and then you have Pepsi, got Pepsi, 7-Up, this here stuff, some type of mango stuff, chocolate, I don't know what it is. I guess it's like chocolate milk, I'm not sure. And then apple, like apple juice. If I'm wrong, feel free to correct me in the comments. But anyway, you have all of that stuff, and then you also have 3 bottles of water in the refrigerator. We took one of the cold ones out and put this one in, but you have 3 bottles of water in here, and this is ours, so don't mind that. But yep, that is the mini fridge. And then you also have a full-length mirror. So yeah, that is the little walk-in area. So coming back around, remember the door we walked in? If you went to your left, this is the bathroom area. I'm trying to get it without me being in the camera. Bathroom area, you have, see what all you got? You got your trash can, you have your towels, you have your, I think that is a hair dryer there, towels, and then cups, of course, on both sides, face and body bar, and then body lotion, some more towels, Kleenex is there, and then a mirror that also has a light that comes on and off. All right, then in here you have your toilet area, just a simple toilet area. No phone. It does have a trash can, but no phone in here. And then to your right, you have this area. Is the lights on? Yep, they are here. So to your right, you have this area, and I just cannot wait to come in this area. Like, it is a shower with a tub. Like, this is what I want in my dream house. I want a tub in my shower, but I don't want like one of these type of tubs. I want like a standalone tub. But I appreciate this too as well. But you have your shower, and this is how big it is. Let's step back so we can really see how big it is. Look how big it is, y'all. So you're coming on in. You got all of this stuff here. If you don't want to use this, you don't have to, because you can use this right here. It has the holes. You can use this right here to shower with. So if you don't want to use this, so the ladies do not like this, you can use this thing here. Coming on in, you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. All of that stuff here. So if you didn't bring your own, they do have these available for you. And here is the tub. It is a decent, like a lovely, I ain't even gonna say decent, a lovely size tub. Like this is a nice size tub. I like the lighting here. So like if you bought like bubble baths and stuff like that, you can place all of that stuff there or your phone there and watch it while you're in the tub. Like, love it. A1. That's beautiful. Okay, so let's come on up out of there. And just let y'all know my husband is in the bed asleep. So if y'all see him, don't pay him no attention. All right, so coming on in, this is your room. Right now I have the TV on all of the restaurants. So this is all of the restaurants that's on the property. Here you have an espresso machine, cups, more water, ice bucket, a few dressers here. Let's see if it's soft close. It is. A lot of storage place, so there's 2 dressers there, 2 drawers there as well. Sitting area for your luggage, so you don't have to put it on the bed. Sit it right there. Over here we have the nightstand. You do have some plugs here, so bam. You do have some plugs there, and for your lights, you can control these lights from right beside your bed. I like that. So you got your nightstand, and then you also got this little lamp here. How does this work? Oh, right there. Duh. Look at that. So, coming on around, and you do have a king size bed, y'all. King size bed. Over here on this side, let's see what's in the drawer. Nothing is in this drawer, but you have another sitting area there. Same plugs, more lights over here. And then another light there. And then this also controls the AC. It looks like that is so cool. To have that right beside your bed. Like right beside the bed, you can control your AC. I like that. And then you have your telephones, of course. Is that the only thing that you can control the AC by? I think so. Just that. So that's awesome. So like I said, this is your little living room area here. You have a little decor on the wall. If you want to order you some room service, you can eat there. 2 chairs and a table. We also have this sofa here. If you want to sit there. I think this is a pull out. I'm sure that it's a pull out. Because the way it looks. Like it looks like a pull out. So yeah. That pulls out. And everything. So yeah, so you got all of that. Coming on out to the balcony. Let's open up these blinds. We are on the back side of the resort, so we do not see the pools and stuff, but you can still kind of see the ocean. So let's go outside. Hopefully we won't fog up. Let's make this quick. We are gonna fog up. So this is outside. We have 2 chairs and a table. That is your neighbor there. Let's wipe the camera off so you can see. And you do have your pool down there. These are swim up pools. And then that is your ocean right out there. This is a separate resort. This is not the same resort that we're in, but you do have your ocean out there. Let's wipe this off. You do have your ocean out there, and then you have your swim up pools for people that's underneath you. And yeah, this is the view from here. Your guest is right there. This is just a bridge that takes you over to this resort there. But yeah, I like that these right here. Like, I like these. This is a nice. I would like this, but on the opposite side to where I can still see, like, I can still see the resort, like the swimming pool, the main area. But I hope you have enjoyed just looking at everything and the room tour. I'm gonna lock the door and everything. So I hope you have enjoyed everything, and yeah, so that is all. Like I said, this is a king size bed. My husband finally got out of the bed so you can actually see the bed. So this is the king size bed. You also have a fan up here. I like that. And so you actually have a fan, and the bed is a nice size. So yeah, so thank you for watching and everything, and I hope you enjoyed this, and make sure you watch the whole vlog and everything. I'm going to be taking videos of different restaurants we have here and sharing with you about the spa and things they have for like kids and all of that type of stuff. Once again, we are at the Royalton Splash. I hope you have enjoyed this room tour.